Students, today we are going to discuss exercise 2.5 fourth problem. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. You can see the given problem is 2x minus y plus z whole square. So minus y can be written as 2x plus minus y plus z whole square. So it is looking like a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. In place of a you can take 2x, in place of b you can take minus y, in place of c you can take z. So 2x whole square plus minus y whole square plus z square plus 2 into 2x into minus y plus 2 into minus y into z plus 2 into z into 2x. You will get, by simplifying that, you will get 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx. Question number 3. Minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. So same identity we are using, a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. In place of a it is minus 2x, in place of b it is 3y, in place of c it is 2z. So minus 2x whole square plus 3y whole square plus 2z whole square plus 2 into minus 2x into 3y plus 2 into 3y into 2z plus 2 into 2z into minus 2x. 2 minus 2x whole square gives you 4x square, 3y whole square gives you 9y square, 2z whole square gives you 4z square, 2 into minus 2 into 3 gives you minus 12, x into y xy, 2 into 3 into 2, 12 plus 12 yz, 2 into 2 into minus 2 gives you minus 8 zx. Next question, 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. In place of a it is 3a, in place of b it is minus 7b, in place of c it is c. So 3a whole square plus minus 7b whole square plus c whole square plus 2 into 3 into minus 7b plus 2 into minus 7b into minus c plus 2 into minus c into 3a. So you can see 3a whole square gives us 9a square minus 7b whole square, negative but exponent is square, so positive will get 49b square plus c square. 2 into 3 into minus 7, 7 3s are 21, 2 is 42, minus 42ab. 2 into minus 7 into minus 1, minus 7 into minus 1 gives you plus 7, 7 to 14, plus 14 BC. 2 into minus 1 into 3 gives you minus 6 CA. Fifth problem, minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square plus minus 2x plus 5y plus of minus 3z whole square. In place of a you can take minus 2x, in place of b 5y, in place of c minus 3z. So a plus b plus c whole square gives you a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So minus 2x whole square plus 5y whole square minus 3z whole square plus 2 into minus 2x into 5y plus 2 into 5y into minus 3z plus 2 into minus 3z into minus 2x. Minus 2 whole square gives you 4, 4x square plus 5y square, 5y whole square gives you 25y square minus 3 whole square gives you 9z square minus 20xy minus 30yz plus 12zx. 2 into minus 2 into 5 gives you minus 20xy. 2 into 5 into minus 3 gives you minus 30yz, and 2 into minus 3 into minus 2 gives you 12zx. 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. Here same identity we are using, a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. In place of a 1 by 4a, place of b minus 1 by 2b, in place of c 1. So 1 by 4 a square plus b square minus 1 by 2 b square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 by 4 a into minus 1 by 2b plus 2 into minus 1 by 2b into 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1 by 4a. You can see here, by simplifying 1 by 4a whole square gives you 1 by 16a square minus 1 by 2b whole square gives you 1 by 4 b square. 1 square is 1. 2 into 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 2. You'll get minus 1 by 4 ab minus b plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 in b into 1. 2 to cancel, you get minus b. 2 into 1 into 1 by 4 a gives you plus 1 by 2a. So factorizing the following polynomials using suitable identities. 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16zx. You can see that it is looking like a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac gives you a plus b plus c whole square. So here the first three terms should be a perfect squares. I'm checking whether they are perfect squares or not. So 4x whole square gives you 2x whole square. 9y square can be written as 3y whole square. So 16z square we have written as minus 4z whole square, because you can see last two terms are negative. Wherever z present, it is negative. So when last two terms are negative, there are two conditions: either x and y are negative or z only negative. So I am considering as z as negative term. So we have taken 2 into 2x into 3y plus 2 into 3y into minus 4z plus 2 into minus 4z into 2x. So now it is looking like a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So in place of a it is 2x, in place of b it is 3y, in place of c it is minus 4z. So I can factorize as 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. Same as second problem, 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. So 2x whole square can be written as root 2x whole square, and here fourth and sixth terms are negative. When fourth and sixth terms are negative, there are two chances: either x is negative or yz is negative. So I am considering y and z as negative terms. We are taking minus y whole square. So 8z, the root of 8, under root of 8 is minus 2 root 2. So minus 2 root 2z whole square, because here considered y and z as negative terms, as the fourth and sixth terms are negative, you can take either x as negative or y and z as negative. Here I considered y and z as negative. So plus 2 into root 2x into minus y. If you multiply, you will get the same minus 2 root 2 xy. Plus 2 into minus y into minus 2 root 2z. If you multiply, you will get the simple form of this term is 4 root 2 yz. 2 into minus 2 root 2z into root 2x. If you simplify it, you will get minus 8 xz. So it is looking like now a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, which is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. So in place of 8 is root 2x, in place of b it is minus y, in place of c it is minus 2 root z. Or either I can take as x as negative or yz as negative. So one more form you can get from this is minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square. Both answers are correct. Write the following cubes in expand form. Here you can see 2x plus 1 whole cube. It's looking like a plus b whole cube gives you a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So in place of a it is 2x, in place of b it is 1. You can take 2x whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 2x whole square into 1 plus 3 into 2x into 1 square. 2 cube is 8, 8x cube plus 1 cube is 1. 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12, 12x square. So 3 2s are 6, 6x. The expansion form of 2x plus 1 whole cube is 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square plus 6x. 2a minus 3b whole cube. Here both ways I can take, either I can take 2a plus of minus 3b whole cube, or if I want to take an identity a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, or I can take a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube gives you a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Then in place of a you will take 2a, in place of b you will take 3b. But here I am considering as minus 3b, that is 2a plus of minus 3b whole cube. So in place of a I can take minus 3b, in place of b in place of a it is 2a, in place of b minus 3b. So 2a whole cube plus minus 3b whole cube plus 3 into 2a whole square into minus 3b plus 3 into 2a into minus 3b whole square. So 2a cube 8a cube, so minus 3 whole cube gives you minus 27, minus 27b cube. 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, plus into minus 36a square b. Minus 3 whole square gives you 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54, so 54ab square. 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. You can see 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. Same a plus b whole cube, in place of a you can take 3 by 2x and in place of b it is 1. So 3 by 2 a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. That is 3 by 2x whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 3 by 2x whole square into 1 plus 3 into 3 by 2x into 1 square. By simplifying this you will get 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 plus 27 by 4 x square plus 9 by 2x. Thank you students. You can see the next example. The same, in place of x it is x, in place of a it is x, in place of b minus 2 by 3 y, because I am using here a plus b whole cube. Same way I can use a minus b whole cube also, but there we will take directly the value in place of b is 2 by 3 y. So x cube plus minus 2 by 3 y whole cube plus 3 into x square into minus 2 by 3 y plus 3 into x into minus 2 by 3 y whole square. By simplifying you will get x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2x square y plus 4 by 3 xy square. Thank you students. Thank you for today. Have a nice day.